If you're looking for the best workout leggings for plus size, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Felina Velvety Soft Lightweight Leggings. These super soft leggings are perfect for women who love cozy days at home, movie nights, and casual sweatshirt pairings. You really can't go wrong with a pair of lightweight, stretchy leggings that are totally aimed at comfort and maybe gentle movement like walking, stretching, or chasing after children. Wilson says of this extremely affordable brand, softness makes you more likely to wear them and love them. So you'll get more than your money's worth if you're not focused on using them for intense fitness challenges. The 2-pack renders each pair less than $15, and with nearly 6,000 glowing Amazon reviews, these leggings are a crowd-pleasing favorite. Wear them beneath tunics or with a coordinating tank for home yoga sessions. For lounging around at home, don't forget to pick up a pair of the coziest women's slippers. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Liverpool Petite Madonna Leggings. It's hard to find a proper fit if you wear petite sizes and are looking for leggings you'll want to live in every day. These fashion-forward Liverpool Madonna leggings are game changers, though, thanks to a range of sizes, zipper closure, pull-on-ease, functional back pockets, and you guessed it, a 26-inch inseam that flatters petite body types. The Croc embossed black material offers a bit of flair to the average outfit or easily adds character to a sweater dress and leggings combo. And yes, these are leggings you can wear as pants. The number 3 position is held by Leggings Depot High-Waisted Yoga Leggings. Not sure which color leggings to add to your collection? These solid-colored, high-waisted leggings are affordable enough to order more than one pair, leaving your dueling desires for sensible black and bright pink totally fulfilled. Plus, the high waist offers flattering tummy control for those in need, making this a cut Wilson believes most women will fall in love with. If you've never tried a high-waisted legging before, definitely give them a try, because they do wonders to camouflage loose skin, imperfections, muffin top, and even the abdominal muscle separations or diastasis recti. That is so common among mothers. Nearly 20,000 Amazon customers vouch for the awesomeness of these leggings. Pair them with a stylish work top to create a comfy work outfit. Next at number 4, we have F. Fjällräven Abisko Trekking Tights. Forget the sticker shock of these life-changing leggings. You'll keep them for years, and they'll outlive your cheapies by far, thanks to superior materials, quality construction, heavy-duty seams, and a design that was built to stand up to a rugged outdoor lifestyle. They offer a drawstring closure on top of dense, high-performance stretch fabric that wicks away moisture. They have reinforced knees for extra tough terrain, long days of hiking, and even outdoor climbing. There are also small, zippered pockets for important items, and a clip-on loop at the hip for attaching gear or a light jacket. Don't be afraid to spend more on leggings that stand up to your lifestyle, Wilson says. If you're really adventurous and are in love with function and style, sometimes you have to pay more, and it shows in the quality. Hundreds of Amazon reviewers rave about these leggings. Who's ready for the best hiking trails in America? The number 5 position is held by Outdoor Research Essential Tights. They're called tights, but they are body-hugging crop leggings that move with you in all the right ways. Made of moisture-wicking fabric, this popular Amazon's Choice item features a mid-level waistband that offers mild cinching without leaving you gasping for air, unless you're running fast enough for that. The flat seam construction and breathable material make them perfect for warm weather too. The number 6 position is dominated by TSL Thermal Running Tights. Did you use your latest fallen eyelash to wish for leggings with pockets? Good news, these TSL fleece-lined leggings have a perfect phone-sized pocket right near the hip, as well as cozy winter-appropriate lining, and just enough support and give to make everything from running errands to actual running a breeze. They offer breathability and a mild amount of compression to keep everything tucked in and smooth. Just note that they are thicker than typical leggings, so they are definitely better for cool weather. Pair them with warm socks, and you'll be all set for whatever winter throws your way. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Homa Premium Compression Leggings. Sure, these thicker than average leggings are great for fitness reasons, but they are also a great base layer for broader wardrobe choices because they double as shapewear. They use mild compression to nip, tuck, and squeeze all the right areas into their upright and original positions. And with more than 15,000 positive reviews, you can be sure they're up to the task. Just make sure you wash them correctly so they'll hold their compression properties for as many wears as possible. The number 8 position is held by the Gym People high-waist yoga pants. I always say it's important to love the color and pattern of your leggings. If that makes you happy, you're going to be excited to wear them and put the work in. Wilson notes, look for designs you love and construction that's ideal for serious workouts, ideally with a high waist that won't bunch, ride, or fall down when you bend over. These eye-catching yoga pants from the Gym People are the budget-friendly answer to the hard workout question. And not only do they come in more than a dozen fun patterns and tones, but they also have pockets. You'll be extra excited to read the reviews on these too, with some users demonstrating the elasticity and ample pocket size by stuffing whole bottles of champagne in them for visual effect, even if you don't actually buy them. The comic relief is enough to make your day when you're done reading the customer comments. Check out more of the funniest Amazon reviews of all time. Next at number 9 we have C Whisper leggings. Plus-size women shouldn't feel left out of the conversation on the best leggings for women, especially when these C Whisper stretches come in so many inclusive sizes and colors ranging from navy to classic black, and several other neutrals as well. They're available in women's sizes 12 through 28, and they stretch, move, and give like few other similar styles can. That forgiving stretch and movement has firmly placed these in the top 10 most popular plus-size leggings on Amazon. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Lena's invisible waist to thigh post-surgical capris. While post-surgical wear might not be on your mind today, you never know when you might need them. These Lena's invisible waist capris are some of the best leggings for women who are recovering from several types of surgery, from C-sections to liposuction, thanks to careful compression, lightweight breathability, and easy washing. The compression in these is targeted, unlike other less expensive versions, which makes them a no-brainer for women in recovery mode who want to switch out of hospital-given compression garments. Interesting fact, some 32% of births are by C-section in America, making this the most popular time of day to be born. That's all for today. We upload fitness product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.